Well, hello. Why don't you come and join me in tabletop? Just come as you are and we'll move from there. My name is Anne-Marie. Right now I'm just moving my hips side to side. Just feeling the ground, so to speak. Nice little soft elbows. Yeah, maybe a little deeper, not too deep. We're just starting, right? Back still. Tabletop. You could have a cup of tea right on your back, holding there, not spilling. Maybe. Let's make some nice hip circles. So, like you were doing, swing side to side. This time we go one side. We push on our hands so our bum goes back. Shift your hip to the other side. Press your bum forward and make nice little circle like that. Bend the elbows generously as you need to. Your movement can be much smaller, much bigger as well. You go with your own body and you pick the options that are good for you. I think you already read the disclaimer, so make sure you take care of yourself here. Right. This is your body, your yoga. Little cats and cow. Anything you don't like, you skip. Anything that's not for you, you modify or skip, right? So let's exhale all the air out. I'm sinking my chest through my shoulders. So make sure your hands are about maybe hip distance or shoulder distance apart to accommodate that. I'm just breathing here. I'm just enjoying my little cow pose. And on an exhale, press your belly button, tuck in your gut, tuck, 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 and then push your belly button up as if it wants to go through your spine. Now keep breathing here. I want you to push on your hand. As you push on your hand, turn your elbows in. Your inner elbows, so they're facing each other. Oh, and go with your breath. Inhaling down, exhaling up. Now your hand is all your weight in your wrist here. Can you distribute that a little bit forward? So all the weight's not at the same place. Now let's add a little bit of hip circle to our cats and cow. Reversing that. That's happening. I don't know if I'm doing 2 cows and 1 cat here or what, but that's all right. We're moving, right? That's what's important. Oh my goodness. Let's bring our hands forward. Give them a little break here. We're gonna send the weight a little bit more towards our fingers. So spread your finger, grab your mat here. Tuck your toes. We are going in down dog. You can stay just like that if you want and just press your chest down. Or you can lift your knees. Keep a bend in the knees if you wish. Nice inhale and exhale the chest towards the mat and your feet. Look around, make sure your neck is very relaxed here. Maybe a little baby circle. And let's walk that dog. Bringing one knee near the mat. Straightening it, other one. Then getting a nice stretch on the calf at the same time. Can you hear my mat crunching? Oh, well, that's enough on the arm, right? Let's exhale our bum towards our heel. Let's bring our hands back. Ooh, huh? Ooh, that's a lot. Let's bring our forehead towards the mat, maybe making little pillows with your fist if you want. And oh, you can always have your knees apart towards the edge of the mat to accommodate your body better too. Just breathe here. Don't even change your breath. Just notice it. And just enjoy your little break. Little break. Are we moving back in tabletop? Yeah, but this time we're gonna take care of our wrists first. Maybe bringing the top of your hands down. Gentle. Everything's gentle. We never force. If it doesn't want to go that way, there's a reason. We leave it alone. And back in our tabletop. Wrist under the shoulders, knees under the hips if possible. Maybe bringing the elbows towards each other. And I'm gonna stretch one leg back. Ooh. Maybe a little back and forth here. Ooh, nice. Inhale that foot up and just bring it over the other leg and send your hip on that side down. Oh, just for a little side stretch. Ooh, maybe bringing one elbow, looking up if you wish. See how it feels. If it's not for you, come out of it. We're never very long in anything, so just jump back in when it's for you. Other leg. Nice inhale. Make that tall, tall, tall. Keep breathing, of course. Lift the foot, cross over. I should have done that side first so you can see. Just lean your hips that way. And I'm gonna bring my other elbow down, my nose towards my elbow if you want. And just enjoy the nice little stretch here. Coming back. And on our knees we go. Oh, a little shoulder roll. We're gonna give our arms a little break here. Let's come back up. Let's come back up. Let's go back in our down dog. Bring your hands forward, toes, tuck the toes. A little quick down dog. And lift one leg. Maybe open the hip if it's fun for you. Bend the knee and send it forward towards your hand. And just adjust. Adjust that. We're coming up. So I'm gonna just park my foot to the side. Use my leg. Use my leg here for a nice little side angle. Maybe bringing my arm up. Oh, over. Maybe it's just waving here. Oh. Ooh, huh? Keep that knee bent here. Keep that knee bent. We may as well just go in warrior two. So bring your hips like facing me if you're facing the TV right now. Leg is open. Nice outer spiral here. Pushing to the side, legs going like backward. Backward. Nice. Nice foundation. Feel it in your feet. Maybe lift your toes like we did our finger. Grab that. Nice warrior two. Maybe looking forward. And nice inhale. Get some length through your fingertip. Exhale. Relax the shoulder down. Tuck in your belly. Just make sure your knee don't pass your toes. If it's a little bit more back, don't worry about it. It's all good. And let's wave up. Maybe you want to wave like that. It's fine. I'm waving up. My other arm's just gonna make it pretty down below. Oh, nice little reverse warrior. And back to our extended side angle. Ooh, come back. This time, straighten the leg. Bring both feet forward. We're gonna just switch that. So here I'm lifting my heel so that my heel goes about towards the middle of my back foot arch. Nice. Bend the front knee until it's about above the ankle. Make sure it's open back and not collapsing in. Hips are as straight forward as you can. Look maybe over there if your neck is cool with that. And inhale some length. Exhale the shoulder down. Ooh. Each time you breathe, just add a little length. Each time you exhale, remember to relax the shoulder. Tight, tight tummy. Your arms tired, that's why you've got hips, right? And big inhale, nice little side stretch. Bottom arm is just to make it pretty. Upper hip, send that back, same with your knee. And to our side angle we go. Well, hello. Oh, I'm sending my arm like, around me like an arc. Just to enjoy that nice little stretch. Inhale back up. Ooh, little shoulder roll here. Ooh, huh? Both feet with the toes facing away. We're gonna just bring our bum down just a little bit. The body stays straight. Bum down. Next time your bums are down, heel toe. Keep going. We're going in goddess. Just a little bit. Your bum ended up on the ground. Just leave it there. That's fine. It is fine. Ooh. Just breathe here for a moment. And we're going to join whomever has their bum down. We're going to join you right now. Bring your hands back. Ooh, I'm sending one leg forward. I'm just bending the knee on the other one here. Like a half split, right? Just a little half split. If that doesn't feel good, just bring both legs forward. That is fine. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. If that's not something feel weird, come right back up. Just enjoy here. Maybe inhaling a little length, exhaling, relaxing the elbow towards the mat. Feeling the nice stretch in the back of the leg. Almost like a reversed pigeon here with or a half split. Hey, why don't you just shift the knees to the other side. Here we go. Fix yourself here. Nice little half split. Inhale and exhale. Round your back and inhale a little length. Here. Elbows wants to go towards the mat. Make sure all is well if possible. If possible, they don't have to. Both sit bones on the mat. Oh. Back a little bit here, huh? How about we go on our back while we're here? Oh, yeah. Oh, first thing I want to do is just bring my knees to my chest. Oh. And we're gonna go into a figure 4. A lazy pigeon that's on its back. So just bring your leg down. And just bring one over the other. Slide it forward and just bend your knee. For our figure 4, your hands are gonna go around your supporting leg, around the thigh. Just bring it towards you. Now my arm is just pressing here to keep this leg from collapsing in. Now very slow movement, move slow. Just make sure it works fine with you. I like to do here adding little ankle rolls. Yeah, while we're down here. Exhale that down. Slide your foot. We're just switching that. Nice, easy way to bring the leg up. If it only go down there, that's fine. Don't force it where it doesn't want to go, huh? Nice inhale and exhale. Bring that up. Same thing, when you're ready, just tread. If that part doesn't feel right for you, just skip it. Skip it, little side to side with my hips. Ooh. Oh, and down. Let's bring one leg up, toes towards me, push through your heel. Now we're gonna try to keep both shoulders on the mat and bring the leg across. Maybe you want to bend your knee. Maybe you want to touch the floor. Maybe it won't reach without the shoulder lifting, so just bring the foot up a little bit. We're just hanging here for a moment, just enjoying our little stretch. Ooh, other side. Same thing. Push through your heel, toes towards you. Send the leg to the side. Try to keep your shoulders on the mat. And a nice little motion. Just a little sway. You can stay still if you prefer. It's all good. Woo! I like adding a little fun, you know. Hey, one more knee to chest. How about that? Nice inhale and exhale. Bring the knees towards your stomach here. Round, round. Ooh. Ooh. Huh? Just bring your shoulder away from your ears. I like taking my finger and bringing them towards my heels and just relaxing here. Of course, I have a headband and holding my ear in the back. That's a little bit in the way. Just relax here and just let your breath do its own thing. And just pay attention to your feet. How's your feet doing? Huh? Regardless how they're doing, good, bad, you just want to acknowledge it. We're not sticking on one place. We're moving to our leg. How are our legs doing? Just acknowledge how they are. Move to your hands, your arms. How are they feeling right now? Your shoulder, your neck. And just breathe. And now we're gonna try to make our exhale just a little bit longer than our inhale. So just a regular inhale and exhale, maybe one extra, one a little bit more. Oh. Huh? Feel free to stay right down here. You can sit down if you want. I think I'm gonna stay here for a little moment. I want to thank you for joining me today. And if you'd like to continue, just click over here. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Namaste.